duckies. Hiya, duckies. Hiya, duckies. Hiya, duckies.
That's part of the other part of the pond. It says no swimming. I'm like, who on earth would want to swim in that? It's kind of can hear something in the water. Ooh. Lots of bramble bushes where blackberries are going to grow. So this is the pond that we're going to have a walk around. Another little duck there. Lots of plants now. It's there's a little moorhen over there. Yeah.
Shopping trolley over there.
Lots of reeds. Probably a random shopping trolley somewhere. Yes, we're just going to have a little walk round. Can't see any swans at the moment, but you never know. There's little moorhen or ducks coming over to see if it's getting fed. So we're going to go and... So we're going to carry on walking round. I can hear another one coming over.
Duckies, you get some bread.
Oh, did you see that?
Was that a fish?
Look at the fish. Look at the catching it.
Fishies.
All the fish are eating it.
I told you there was fish in the other one.
Yeah, look, thank you.
Try and get it over here.
Look, the fish are eating the bread.
Little fishies.
Look,
Oh.
you can't come. See where that bit is? They can't come
Look.
in.
It's the fish that's ate all the bread.
Bye.
Look, try and bring them in closer.
Ha. Get your piece. Don't worry.
Oh, the fish are having a food
Look.
day.
Yeah, the fish are like, oh yeah, like we're getting it before the ducks. The ducks are like, excuse me, that's my breakfast, not yours. Other ducks over there coming over. The fish are like, nope, that's mine. It's weird, you can see them kind of eating the bread, but you can't actually see the fish.
Exactly.
So I don't know what colour they are.
I think they've had enough because they're not here now.
No, they can't get in. It's short.
You can see through
Oh,
that
baby
bit.
ones.
They're in that swamp back there.
Yeah, let's carry on walking round. So, I've just been down at that bit feeding the ducks. I'm coming down this little walk here. Lovely flowers. I might get a clipping of these, even though I'm not too sure what they are. If anybody knows what these are, I have seen them before. I'm sure my mum will tell me. If anybody knows what they are, let me know. I might get like a little clipping and take them home. So, yeah. It's really nice down here. So yes, we're just walking around this pond. It's a nice day. It's quite humid, and yeah, my two grandsons are at home with one of their uncles, playing on the computer. They didn't want to come and walk with Nana. So yeah, so we're just out here doing a little walk with the girls. That's about it. Just feeding the ducks, but it's just nice to get out and yeah, and just enjoy some nature and fresh air. And although you can hear the traffic, it spoils it a bit, but yeah. So I'm recording me. I did get you earlier. The traffic spoils it a bit, but still nice anyway. Alright, it's another big field. So that'd be nice to come sit and have a picnic. In fact, this bit would have been good for the boys to play football at instead of that other big one.
Exactly.
Because it's more quiet. So pop it and squeaky if you're watching. This one down here is better to take the boys to because there's nobody here, rather than the other one. You know the other one I'm talking about. For security reasons, I'm not saying where it is, but they know what I'm talking about. This bit's way better. I'll come up here and show you. Like if I show you, look. There. You can have a picnic, feed the ducks and the swans, and walk. You can walk around this whole Holby Pond, just a nice day out. And that field there is plenty big enough for the boys to kick about. So bring a frisbee, get the kids a cheap kite out of Poundland.
Another big field.
Yeah, there's another big field just there. A few houses next to it, but it's a nice area. So, yep. Anybody else know where I am? Then please don't leave it in the comments. Try to keep it nice. So we're just going to carry on walking around. Some lovely flowers again down here. Beautiful. But my daughter is sneezing her head off in the background because she's got bad hay fever. And we're walking down with all the flowers. I don't know what this tree is. Anybody know what that tree is? But yeah, it's lovely down at this bit as well. Really nice, quiet walk. We haven't even bumped into anybody yet. And this is during the summer holidays, so yeah, it's lovely. Lovely. I shall definitely be coming down here for a picnic in the next week or so, I think. I wonder if anybody's ever done a sneaky camp down here. Some nice little in-shot bits. Obviously, that maybe people have walked in there, because you can kind of see if people have maybe gone in there or kids have gone in there to play. It's like a really nice housing estate on the left, but oh, can hear some bees. There's another little plant. Oh, bush tree. I could have sworn I've seen these when I was a child. I'm pretty sure these are the ones that go brown. And you throw them up the air and they spin round like a helicopter. I can't remember what the tree's called. So if you know what the tree's called, let me know in the comments, because I'm having a brain fart moment and I can't remember. And there's the most of the pond. Sit properly, Munchkin. Yeah, near enough walked around the full pond now. Nearly back to square one.